As you can see, we put everything back together just the way they were. Of course, after we're done clean everything. And we went ahead and the duct pipe, we went ahead and cleaned that all the way from outside. We had to go outside the house and clean the pipe. So now basically we're just gonna place the panel back. First we're gonna hook up that and put the panel back, and we should be done. And when you reconnecting your pipe, make sure it is very snuggle in there, real tight, because you don't want it to be loose. And that's a very big problem. This duct type come out, and then all your heat is basically reversing back inside the dryer, as far as in the back of the dryer, and that could cause the fire. So always make sure that it's tight enough, and make sure you put it the right way. So here we go. There you have it. Everything back together. And this is the clips. That don't forget to put those back in, which is 2 of them. That give you access to remove the top portion. And again, this is an old dryer, so it's pretty old, but it does the job. Alright, thanks.